It's literally the easiest light bar you're going to install on your 5th gen 4Runner. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Tim and this is Tim the Trailman. And I previously did a review on this last fit 22-inch light bar that I put on the 4Runner. And then I got a few comments on how did I do it? How did it fit? Can you show us how it is with a few more night shots of the power output? It's been a couple more weeks that I've been using it as well, and it's a great light bar. I'm gonna add a couple more video shots of what it looks like lighting up at night. I don't have a ton of video content, but I'm gonna share a little bit of video that I do have. The greatest thing about the light bar, like I did mention in the previous video, is it does come with the harness. So all you have to do is put a couple bolts in and run the harness under the hood how you want to and put the switch on the inside. So let's get started. First thing you wanna do is go ahead and remove this cover under the hood where there are just a bunch of push rivets. You just push them down, pop them up, and then this cover will come up easily, and then you'll be able to see behind the grill where I installed it. The second thing you want to do is remove a couple plastic rivets. Mine are obviously already removed because I've got the light bar installed, but right here where the bolts go through is where you're going to remove those rivets. You can throw them out, you're not going to need them again. The TRD Pro grill will go ahead and block a little bit of the downward angle. To my best estimate, the light output starts about 6 feet in front, which is fine because you can't see past the hood before that anyways. All of the hardware that you're seeing in the video is also provided in the package from Last Fit, so I didn't have to buy anything extra with it. The nuts, bolts, the brackets, it all fits perfectly right here in this spot. The third thing that you're going to do is go ahead and run the harness. I went ahead and go behind the headlight and then bolted the relay pack over there by the fuse box. There's a ton of extra cord, so you have a ton of options on how you're going to go ahead and route that. The last thing you're going to do is just run the switch through the bulkhead. I went ahead and unplugged it and I depinned the terminals. I'll show you that here on the inside of the car. And I went ahead and took the pins out of the plastic, pushed those through the hole that I've already made for the previous ditch pods. And then from there, I repinned the connector, ran that up through the dash, and currently I just have it stuck here on the dashboard to a blank switch to hold it in place. There's a ton of extra harness bundled up under the hood for the ditch lights and the light bar. Long term, all of that's going to get cut away and just plugged right into a relay pack for the Switch Pro. So overall, this light bar install, I mean, we're talking less than 30 minutes. It's quick, it's fast, it works. You push the button, it lights up. You push the button, it turns off. The throw on it is amazing, as you can see in the video here. Overall, it's great. I do not recommend it for on-road use. It is for off-road use. It is on back roads, country roads. It is not for people coming towards you on the highway. I personally can't stand that. Please don't do that. Not that you really care what I think about on-road use for light bars. Let me know in the comments how you went ahead and installed yours. And there is a link in the description for an affiliate link for me. There's also a discount code on the screen for a discount that can save you 15% on not just the light bar, but any Last Fit products as well. So feel free to use that. It's the holiday season at the time of this filming, so treat yourself. I know that you're worth it. As always, thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and the like button and tell me in the comments below what you think about the Last Fit product.